Okay, you must go that side then. I think we should go there. Yeah, let's go that side. I'm great, thank you. Can I please get your name?
Gugumanana.
Gugumanana, where are you from?
From Crystal Park, Benoni.
All right then, I'm Black Diva, Ursula, and you look very nice, I must say. So, are you looking forward to tonight?
I am, I'm very excited.
All right, all right. Which comedians are you expecting to see tonight?
Thenjiwe and...
Thenjiwe, sorry.
Yes, definitely.
All right then. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy your night, and you're gonna just enjoy. I don't have anything much to say.
I definitely will.
All right then. It's very good to meet you. Enjoy and happy April Fool's Day. Bye. All right, I've got 3 beautiful ladies here. Woo! Woo! You guys look stunning. High five. Girl power. Yeah. Oh, you ladies look very, very nice. Oh, thank you. I'm trying. All right, so how do you guys feel about being here tonight?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Thenjiwe.
Thenjiwe, the queen. All right then, so what are your expectations? What kind of show are you guys looking for? Like,
Oh well, I just want to laugh my ass out.
You want to jiggle those wiggles? All right then, no problem. Where are you guys from?
Alexandra.
All right then, you guys look very, very gorgeous. Girl power, rocks, and oh, who are you dressed by? All of you guys.
I'm dressed by her.
By her. Oh, you're the designer. How are you?
Hi, Sister Condition.
Ngiyaphila, siyakhuluma vela amaZulu girls, ne?
All the way.
All right then, so who are you expecting to see tonight?
I'm expecting to see, of course, Thenjiwe. I'm very excited to see her.
Thenjiwe, Zulu girl.
I love my Zulu girl.
All right.
And Utolesmo.
Utolesmo. Woo! It's gonna be on fire.
Yes, we're very, very excited. My friend and I booked our tickets in January. We've been looking forward to this for the past 3-4 months. So
All
I'm
right.
very excited.
All right, you're gonna have yourself a great night. And how do you feel about April Fool's Day here at Sun Carnival City?
I haven't been fooled yet. So I'm still looking forward to another fool for about the next 4 hours. So somebody prank me. I'm waiting.
Can I prank you right now?
Okay.
Yep. Pilla. I'm joking.
Okay, there, you did it. Thank you.
All right. Have a great night. Okay.
Thank you. I will, you too. Thank
All
you.
right. Bye. We're at Sun Carnival City, where it's happening. It's lit. It's hot. It's happening. All right then. Let's go by her. Sanbonani. So. Ngangikho right.
Indaba.
Ngoba nina nikho right.
Right impela hawu kanti mina
Sifuna ukuhleka nje.
Ufuna nihleke manje hlekani basi ithini gaga.
yabona mangangitshela ukuthi mina ngihleke ngesizulu ngizokutshela ngoba manje angisumzulu ngokutshela ngesizulu ke
All right, ubata uthetha.
Bata
Buwa. Bulela.
kibuwele mangake ngiyabuka kanti
Buweli Black Diva. Yeah.
okay ati black diva
All right. So you guys, what brings you guys here tonight?
It is what you do me. Stop nonsense.
Stop nonsense. He was on Date My Family the other time, eh? You remember like 2 weeks back? No, it's a halang. Lamteha.
Just.
Telling you, Saba, Salina Mayako Boy. Guys, I didn't want to take what you say. Spotlight. Boom. Now, hey, I'm shining man, the camera. Oh, this
Jiggle those giggles, ne?
Yeah, I need to brighten up. I need to laugh more. It has been the longest week of our lives in terms of political and administration of the country. So I'm here for the lady that is heavyweight. I'm here for Celeste. I'm here for Thenjiwe. I'm just here to relax and laugh, and laugh at myself as a South African more than anything.
That is very, very touching. I actually like it when someone wants to laugh. People are tense from work and all that. But if you're willing to come and laugh and support our artists, it means a doing very well for ourselves.
If we as South Africans, we do not embrace our own brands, our own thing, who exactly to expect that person to admire us, to appreciate us?
Yeah.
We are in a state in terms of a country as a society and how we're socialized that most important things come from abroad and so forth. We need to take a sense of ownership whereby these are our comedians. We have our own likes of Travers. Now they're abroad. Do I need to appreciate him because he's abroad? Or should I study it here? There was Joe Mafela is gone. Did we give enough platform for him not only to depend on television acting or to go to his gig where he's making comedians? So this is our own, must embrace it and appreciate it and support it and be able to laugh at our own jokes, at our own stuff, at our own self, through our own people, not when it's being said by somebody from abroad.
Yes.
That's my sense.
That is very, very true. Wow, that's true. Like, thank you so much for the support. They deserve it and they need people like you to keep growing even more. Like, thank you very much.
Pleasure's
And
mine.
I really hope that you enjoy the rest of your...
My name is Kevin.
Kevin?
Yeah.
From
Pretoria.
Pretoria?
Yeah.
Pretoria?
Yeah, we're good.
I'm joking.
Yeah, no, I know you're here for the heavyweights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's going to be a pretty cool show. So, yeah, I'm excited.
All right then. You're just gonna enjoy, relax and laugh and
That's it.
and then jiggle and giggle, whatever.
Absolutely. Shake that booty as well.
All right then. So who's your favorite comedian?
I actually like Trevor Gumbi.
Okay.
He's my personal favorite. And yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right.
And he's
all
a
right.
close friend as well. So,
A close friend.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
yeah, we
What
met
can?
a couple of times.
All right. All right. Then that's a good thing. All right. So what are you expecting from him?
Side-splitting laughter.
Wow.
That's what it is.
All right.
He's good at that, yeah.
All right then, Kevin. Thank you so much. I hope you
Thank
have
you.
yourself
You
a
have
great
yourself a
night
good day as
and be good. Have you been fooled today?
Yes, a little bit.
What happened?
At the circus. We were at the Moscow circus.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was a good one.
All right then. I have something to tell you, but don't tell anyone. Do you know Nicki Minaj?
Yes.
She's actually my cousin.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to prove it?
Prove it.
Yeah. By the way, yeah, what you said, you can tell I'm missing no meals. Come through and kill him in my automobile. Let him eat it with his grill. Skip telling me to chill. Yeah.
I actually thought it was the butt, but it's a singing, so it's fine.
Oh my God. You got me on that one. All right then.
Thanks a lot.
Enjoy the rest of your night,
You too
Kevin.
as well.
Thank you.
Cheers.
My meal. It's gonna be nice, yes. Let's eat. Sanibonani. Ngiyaphila ninjani? Niyaphila?
Siyaphila.
Nijabulile?
Kakhulu.
Nithokozile?
Kakhulu dadewethu.
Thokoza.
Angeke sithokoze la ngisazohleka.
Ngisazohleka. All right then. Nifuna ukubona banje namuhla. Sinqale ngapha.
Dadewethu, we are here to watch Thenjiwe, Thenjiwe. Those are my favorite women, eh?
All right.
Yeah.
Thenjiwe #1. Yes.
Kansimi.
Yes.
All right.
But in South Africa, Thenjiwe.
Uthenjiwe,
Noma
rock.
kanjani.
Noma kanjani rock Uthenjiwe. And she's my sister, by the way.
Oh.
Yes.
Congratulations.
The hair, the face, like, can you see siyafana vele? Ngusisa komncane.
Omncanyana, yabo.
Ehe.
A slimmer version.
I'm not slim. I'm not slim.
No, I'm here to see Thenjiwe. She does it for me. She does it. I actually want to see if all the videos actually that we've got does depict what she's got.
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
here to see her, and if she doesn't make me laugh, I'll delete all the photos.
No, you're just joking. She will kill it.
Yeah, Thenjiwe.
Kansime. All right, again. Puma go.
Yes,
Are you guys married?
Now we are.
Ah, just like me.
We live here in the East Rand.
I'm engaged
You're engaged.
to myself, me and I.
Please, if you are engaged, answer the phone.
The phone. Hello.
Answer.
Hello.
There's so many people calling you, so you better answer.
Pama. I am Pama. You look very stunning.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Sexy. Yabange.
And you are beautiful, gorgeous, sexy. Uyabange?
It's a girl thing, I guess. I'm trying.
We make an effort.
We make an effort, ne? So tell me, how do you feel about tonight?
I'm excited. I think it's nice with so many comedians. It's a lovely lineup. It's a lovely audience. It's been a really nice vibe.
Wow. Are you down to earth or are you hyper?
Well, I am hyper. I'm a hyper person. Stop. But I'd like to think that I'm down to it. So whilst I get hyper, I keep my feet on the ground.
Oh, wow. That's very, very interesting. Okay. So how's it going tonight?
Good. The guys are funny. Of course, as expected. Otherwise, we're so king.
Obvious.
It's going well. I'm enjoying it. I'm having a good time. And even the fact that it's second for me, I can now just relax and just enjoy everybody.
All right. You to perform me. You perform kanjani?
It was nice and I sang and it was a lovely audience and receptive. More people you'd expect I need to comment. So I expect to comment. Starting April Fool. They were April Fool tonight. We comment
that's good. But you could have called me. You know that I rap.
Is it?
Yes.
Next time, see a remixer at my raps, my rhymes, and let's do it.
Okay.
Also,
I'm gonna cry. Step sister Samine.
Really?
Yes, please. I fly with the stars in the sky. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire, and yes, I call the shots.
I like that.
You like it?
I love that song.
Hey, Africans, it's back up,
okay.
All right. All the cherries, the mares, bonke, but Jarvis ninjas. Check the niggas for night and gamma bazooka fantuka. Huya masix paris, put cherries back on their pinches. Sigma 6 and so 6. So say bye bye to the grudges. Yeah.
Say bye bye to the grudges.
Oh, yes. Hiya, please. Utandi page lamne. Black Diva. BLAQ.
And you are a diva.
I'm a diva.
Yeah.
No, I'm not a diva. No.
Good version of a diva. A good version.
Oh, thank you so much. You are beautiful.
So
thank
you.
Thanks. And it's good to finally meet you. Like face to face. Let me not show people my weakness.
No, man, it's good to appreciate each other. Let's appreciate her.
Yes, woman power.
Strength, exactly.
No jealousy.
No.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, man. That was nice.
You're looking fly.
Thank you so much. So are you.
Oh, but you,
White people must never say ooh,
No, but you just said it.
Yeah, but no, I'm not a white person.
What are you? Who are you?
I'm a South African.
I'm being fooled.
That is correct.
All right, okay, no problem at all. So, how was the show? How was the crowd? How did you do?
The crowd was delicious. They were so responsive. They were wonderful. It was such an honor and a privilege to be a part of something that is so much care and effort and everything went into this show. And I know how much effort it takes and how much work it takes. So I'm really grateful. And the fact that so many people came out of their houses and drove to Springs to come and see this lineup is a huge, huge thing. And what a blessing.
Thenjiwe, you know, I've just been reshuffled into a Vashti.
How are you, AY? Comedian.
I'm alright, I'm good, I'm fine.
Alright, I see you are on fire. You are rocking then, eh? You are like zoop, like electric shock.
Like Zulu.
You gave
for
them
Zulu.
For Zulu. Alright, but how was it for you?
Awesome, and I didn't see that coming.
Yeah.
And I really appreciated the audience. They were lit, and they really wanted to see something from AY, and that made my night.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it as well. It was awesome. But did you get nervous?
Not at all. You know, this is what we do for a living.
Yeah.
And as a matter of fact, it's a different environment, it's a different ground. So I didn't know how they were going to see it. But the minute I started and I did 1 or 2, 3, I knew they were ready for me.
All right.
So I had a good time.
So do you feel like you're the boss? Or do you feel like, be honest, don't fool me?
No, I just think I just went there, I did my thing.
All right, you did your thing and you rocked it. That was awesome. I really, really, really support you.
Thank you.
Yes, please keep pushing comedy and make us laugh.
Thank you.
Please. All right then.
My wife said to me, you don't show when you're being interviewed. I'm sorry, baby, just in case you see it. I'm really, really sorry.
Thank you, that was AY, comedian.
I feel like I had a great show. It was a great show of laughter, with energy now.
All right. But were you nervous at first?
Yeah, I was going on the stage. It's my first time out here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's my first time in South Africa. It's my second time coming to South Africa.
Wow.
First time doing comedy in South Africa. So this is the biggest crowd I've ever performed in front of.
Wow, and it was full, and they were supporting you. They were screaming. That's good. Hey, that's good. You should keep doing it.
I will.
Yeah, and for you personally, as a comedian, who was your favorite comedian?
I can't say. I love all of them.
You love
I really
all of
can't
them.
say.
They all add sugar, spice, and
yeah,
pepper.
because they're all different. They've got different kinds of humor.
Yes.
I love all of them.
All right. I'm sure everyone in Swaziland will be proud of you. Do it for us. Do it for us, your supporters.
Are you counting yourself as a source or as a
I'm a supporter. Hey, yeah. All right then, that's good. Enjoy the rest of your night. Hey. All right, thank you. Bye. It's a bye,
energy. You're
stopping the nonsense.
I sold that show. You know, all these people, they came out for me, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm so flattered.
Love the confidence.
Yeah, you know,
I saw you on Date My Family. Was it you?
No.
Yes.
Me.
It was you. I see the hair. You rocked it then, eh?
No, the thing is, on Date My Family, I was kissing. Let's see if the kiss was...
No. I will die. I'm married to me, myself, and I. You see?
Okay. Anyways.
But you had energy. It was great. It was boom. A great April Fool's Day. Let me ask you, where do you get your energy from? Who inspires or what inspires?
I don't sleep. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I think that's why I have consistent energy.
Yeah.
So
it's not ADD.
A month. No sugar involved. A month.
It's not ADD. You didn't answer me.
It's not.
It's not. I saw.
Very shocked.
You are fooling me.
Highly shocked.
Okay, so who's your favorite comedian besides yourself?
My favorite comedian has to be Stop Nonsense. He's a very funny guy. Because this guy is very funny. He's got a patch. Yeah, very skinny boy. I love him. He's very funny. Look out for him.
He looks like you.
Something like that. Look at this boy.
Aren't you describing yourself?
Oh yeah, you are saying.
Hi.
So you are saying? Okay, thanks a lot, my man.
It was a great show, man.
Very great show.
Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Have a great night. Bye. Samare. Award-winning.
Comedian.
One of the best.
In the country.
Away.
Yeah.
Uzizwa kanjani namuhla?
Ngizizwa ngijabulile to see such a great comedy event include abantu from outside the country. So it shows ukuthi like South African comedy, it's growing kakhulu and so which means people are supporting local and then it's like it's growing like equally comedy. Unlike back in the days where by comedy you know because comedy it's only when abantu benza just amahlangana idelapha TV but now it's the actual stand-up comedy. People pay to see us making jokes. So siyabonga ne support leyo. So yeah.
They travel all the way to support.
Yes,
our
abantu babuya
comedians.
ePitori nani beze khona la eCanvas.
Abanye babuya eMpumalanga njalo.
For just comedy. So yabona ukuthi comedy mzansi yo
iyakhula and it's like massive.
Sizokwazi ukuthenga ama Lamborghini because last time
Lamborghini.
besamba ngikorokoro nyana.
Mara manje se upgrade angithi.
Manje so which means there's growth.
Yeah, there's growth and that is a good thing indeed. And who was your favorite comedian?
Bonke bebahlekisa. I mean I've worked with them, you understand? So nyabathanda the likes of Thenjiwe, like we all know ukuthi she's one of the best and she's been doing great stuff, understand? And my boy, you stop nonsense as a host. Stop nonsense. Perfect. The energy from the beginning until it was awesome. And then even you can see me. Like bonke, I mean, yeah.
Bonke. All right, no, that's good then. At least if you enjoyed yourself, and that's all that matters. Please don't stop supporting our comedians. They really appreciate it.
Serious, yes. And to everyone, Obugelelana, Okapilunyaka, Realebuaolo, because Richeche Kalona. Without you guys, so the more you come to our shows, which means you appreciate us and we appreciate you. Sometimes you might think we don't, but we do. So we get caught up in this business thing, then we forget. I understand, and not because you don't appreciate them, because sometimes you come to a show, Katele, sometimes you project, so you even forget to. It's like you when you're at work. You get so busy, so you get so busy to even forget to tap with thank you guys, I love you, understand? So guys, we do appreciate you. And people think as Nanda, there's a lot of things that going on in our minds and everything. But support and when we are together as comedians, we do talk about you guys at home. Good, and please look. Subscribe to our channel and guys, we promise you we'll always stay funny for you. We are your therapists. From Samari,
Siyabonga Samari was summarizing. Have a great night. Thank you. So, hambe kahle ne? Bye bye. Bye. All right, our beautiful lady. I'll smile. Ha, ngiyakusaba mina. Sisithenjiwe umuhle India lethu, ongafuni Indian hair, ongafuni skin bleaching, ongafuni ama artificial. You rock.
Thank you so much.
I don't know what to say, you rock. Oh, anyways, how was the night for you?
It was great. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the support from the audience, from the performers, from other comedians. It was just great.
It was great. Who was the best for you?
I think everyone was good enough. Nobody stands out because everyone was really, really good.
Okay.
And the audience made it a feel-good show for everyone, which is great. And what stood out for me, not in terms of performers, as I looked at the show and I thought, I like where comedy is going, because for me it means comedians are now realizing that comedy is not a joke and the country is receiving it, which means that we no longer have to have a comedian who's homeless, we no longer have to have a comedian who's hungry. Go out there, comedy is a business. The stage is your boardroom, and I hope other comedians will learn that they don't have to rely on a promoter. As a comedian, you can do this. It's your talent. You were born with it. Why are you giving it to someone else? Let's treat our comedy and our talent just like the pastors treat the churches. Hallelujah.
Yo, I'm so touched by that. And what I love more about you, you tell the truth in a funny way, but it's the truth.
The thing with comedy is truth. When we get on stage, we make ourselves naked and we tell the truth. Whatever we say is something that we have gone through, but we are able to say it in a funny way. And the good thing is what we have gone through, so many other people have gone through it. That's why people can relate. That's why they can laugh. If you go and talk about something that nobody can relate to, nobody's gonna laugh because they don't know what you're talking about. The reason people laugh is because they know it.
They know it.
It's either happened to them or to someone they know. Comedy is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. So much so that I think when the government was reshuffling, he should have made sure that he tells the insurance companies, the health insurance companies, that now people should come to comedy and be able to use their medical aid to pay, because we cure them more than most of the medicine that's available out there. We are the ARVs of this country.
That's my president. Women, president, power. All right then. I'm glad that you enjoyed this night and you made it very, very special. And I told people that you're my sister. I think it's time we tell everyone else
that we are not really sisters.
We are really sisters. I don't know why she keeps denying it, but yes. Big ups to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Keep doing it for us. Keep
you.
giving
and
us.
Thank you to everyone who supported us.
Yes.
We really appreciate it. It was so humbling when people were saying they came from them. Like the hotel is full. We're at the Carnival City. Full. The hotel is fully booked. People are traveling to come and see comedy. What else do you want? We're doing better than the porn industry.
And I wanted to ask you, how do you prepare for your comedy? It's nerve-wracking. I cannot do that.
I don't prepare. God prepares me.
Yes.
There is a God of comedy out there.
Amen.
He comes into my heart.
Amen.
He tells me.
Yes.
When I am on stage, you might think of it as a joke.
Amen.
It is not a joke.
It's not
it
a joke.
It is the holy post of comedy.
Yes. Viva! Are you right, Sister Thenjiwe? Thank you so much. You made us laugh. Thank you.
And can I just tell people, Uti, what time is it now?
She's incredible. All right, that's it for tonight. We hope you guys enjoy the heavyweight international comedians here at Sun Carnival City. From your girl, I'm too tired, sorry. From your girl, Black Diva. Peace.